Hello, how there? You're welcome to Fortitude Shammah Crafts. Today we'll be learning how to mold with Warden or pad. I believe by the time you are through watching it, you'll be able to mold without stress. These are the material we are using for molding our fascinator. We want to say a big thank you to our returning subscribers. Please like, share for others to benefit. We have our mold. We have it in different shape. We have Alice band, top bond. We have ready-made stiffener as well. Then UHU gum. You can use your hot gum. Then oil. You can make use of Vaseline. You have your pin. You have your scissors, bowl and water. With the fabric you are using or material you are using for molding the fascinator. So the first thing is to measure your mold. This is 7 inches and you are going to add allowance to it. 2 to 3 inches allowance is okay. 2 to 3 inches allowance. So I'm adding 3 inches to this, making 10 inches. So we are making use of wadding and lining. Thick wadding and lining. So this is what we are going to use for it. So the measurement is 10 inches by 10 inches. The same thing with the wadding, 10 inches by 10 inches. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly do so. Turn on the notification button so that you can be getting notification whenever we upload new video. Like, share for others to benefit. So you have to wrap your mold with nylon, then apply oil all over so that it will be easy for you to remove your fascinator. So that's what I'm doing, rubbing the mold with oil. I believe by the time you are through watching this video, you'll be able to mold by yourself and you will see the outcome of this. So we want to mix our stiffener. You will put your stubborn inside the bowl, apply little water. Don't let it be too thick, don't let it be too watery. So I have the leftover stiffener. So that's what I'm using as water to mix it. You will mix it smoothly. Mix it very well. Make sure there is no lumps inside it. So I suppose to soak my wadding inside water before mixing. The reason why you need to soak it inside water so that it will absorb the stiffener very quickly. So that is the essence, to absorb easily. So I'm soaking it inside the stiffener. Make sure it goes round. If your stiffener is not okay, the mixed one is not okay, you can add another one. Add to it. You can add to it. So I'm as well soaking the lining inside the stiffener. I squeeze it, then turn the leftover inside bottle for next use. So the next thing you are going to do, so you place your lining first, the right side facing the mold. Then the wadding has two parts, the rough part and the smooth part. So the rough part will face the lining. The rough part of the wadding will face the lining. Turn it upside down to pin. You are going to turn it upside down to pin and make sure the mold is at the center. That's exactly what I'm checking. Make sure you have the allowance, cover the mold. So when you are pinning your fascinator to the mold, the first thing is to pin east, west, north, south. East, west, north, south. You are going to pin the 4 cardinal points first. Afterward, you start pinning the rest angles. You pin east, west, north, south. When you are working with thick wording, it's always difficult to pin down. So you have to take your time to pin down. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly do so. Turn on the notification button so that you can be getting notified whenever we upload new video. This is the way you can support us. Please kindly like also and share for others to benefit. We love you. And to our returning subscriber, we want to say thank you once again. God bless you. You have to take your time to pin down and make sure you drag it. Drag it. Don't let it be squeezed. Drag it very well. Can you see it? When you drag it, you will get what you want. So you will pick the angles one after the other to pin down. And when you are pinning down, make sure the edges are smooth. Can you see the way I'm doing it? If you are beginner, you might not get it at first. You might not get it at first. You have to practice. Practice will make you perfect. Can you see it? So we are through pinning down. Can you see it? So beautiful and neat. Cut off the excess at the edge. So ready to be sun dried. We are going to place it under the sun to sun dry it. So it's dry. It's dry now. We are going to remove the pin. You remove the pin. So after removing the pin, you are going to remove the mold gently. Remove the mold gently. So then you trim the edges round. That is all about molding your fascinator. You can use any material to mold. So you trim it round. That is all about that. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share for others to benefit. See you in next tutorial. Bye.